Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So originally, this video was going to be about this. I spoke to my friend Rick over at Back Into Service and mentioned to him that I was looking for a draw knife because I've never had one and kind of wanted to work on it. And he found it and sent it to me, which was great. Then I started looking at working on this thing, and I don't know how to take these handles off. There are these little domed caps at the end, and looks like a little nib at the end of it. So I don't know if maybe there's some metal that goes all the way through this handle, and then you peen it over, or before I, here's the thing. It works as it is, but I wasn't looking for a draw knife because I need a draw knife. I was looking for a draw knife because I wanted to restore one. And I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know. Also, it's bent, and I want to straighten it, use the press to straighten it. But anyway, we'll save this for another day. And in the meantime, I want to do a restoration. And what's faster and quicker and funner than a screwdriver? So I like the screwdriver. I end up using it all the time. It's in my to be cleaned up pile, but I always happen to grab it when I need something little to go in the house and unscrew something. I like it. It's a great little screwdriver, and I thought it'd be fun to clean up. So let's do it. Well, that's about it. I think it turned out nice, and it was a nice quick project. I didn't want to go all week without posting something, and this was fun. So, it's always fun to do a screwdriver. I got very liberal with the paste wax. I've never gotten that liberal with it and put so much on there. But you know, let's see how that works. Maybe that'll help me with some of the rusting problems I'm having. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks very much. We'll see you next time.